Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to do one more little piece with list comprehension and some conditions. Now, we have seen before where it is we've done an if, but we have not done a else. So comprehension. And if you're new here, you know that I've not guaranteed any spelling. But all right, let's say we have a list like this. I won't bore you with this, but if you are new here, thanks for being here, and make sure you're clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell, because still at this time we have videos coming out every single day, and these videos are here for you because when I was learning, I had to go to tons of places and fill in some gaps and try to learn. That's the point of this channel, is for the best way for you guys to learn. So all right, what I wanted to do is, let's say we're going to make a list, and this is warming up to some more advanced things, but I want it to go through and print out true if it's a string and false if it is not. So we've seen it before with an if condition at the end of the comprehension. Now let's look at it at the beginning. So all right, it looks a little weird, but like I've said before, we're going to do the end first. So all right, then we have for I in X. Now we need to do our first condition, and we want it to match. We want the boolean to be true if it's a string. So we literally want that to come out. So we type that first. True, then we write our condition. If, and what do we want it to be? If this is a type of a string. So type, then our I right here, boom, that's that. Here's our if. This is what we want it to do if this is true. Now, typically, we went, and before we did that with the trailing condition. This is how we do it if we want it to actually do an else condition. So all right, now we want it to print false, else, false, and boom, that's it. So we got a lot of keywords in here, don't we? A lot of orange. So all right, and then we just do print name, and let's see if we did this right. See if anything fails. So all right, true. I guess we could print X as well. So, all right, true, false, true, false, true, and false. Okay, I guess actually we could have maybe we need to come up with a way. Actually, I'll throw this out to you guys and see if you know how to do it. How would we do this to capture if it was, what happens if somebody accidentally put this in here and did this as a string? Maybe I'll do this as the next video. So all right, so we just got, now let's think about this just came to me. So all right, this is a false positive. So maybe I'll throw this out to you guys and I'll answer. What would be a way that we could do this to make sure that we couldn't get a false positive? So all right, I think I've done that video before. Actually, I know I have. So the answer's out there. If you already know, post a comment below. But next video we'll do this, and we'll do a much more precise guarantee, so we can't get, because this still has a user mistake somewhere. But there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. And I can't say enough, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Really appreciate all the comments, all the views. I'm really blown away. But if you have a question, please don't hesitate to ask. That's what I'm here for. I want to help you learn. I want your learning to be smoother than mine. I know the trials and tribulations of it, and I want to help you. So thanks again. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.